Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new initiative that is multiple choice questions based on current affairs and basically the Hindu. Okay, so this is test one in this series, and these are multiple choice questions. So, question number one is consider the following statements about air quality index. Its options are it was launched in 2014. The measurement of air quality is based on 8 pollutants. Air quality index has 6 categories of air quality. It has been developed by CPCB in consultation with IIT Kanpur. Which of the following statements are correct? Option A is 1, 2, and 3. Option B is 2, 3, and 4. Option C is 1, 3, and 4. Option D is all are correct. Question number 2 is the System of Air Quality and Weather Forecasting and Research is a national initiative introduced by the option A is Ministry of Earth Sciences, option B is Ministry of Environment, Forests and Climate Change, option C is Central Pollution Control Board, option D is none of the above. Now, third question is which of the following air pollutants and their effects are incorrectly matched? Pollutants are given on one side and their effects are given on another side. So you have to uh, uh, tell whether these are correctly matched or not. Sulfur dioxide is its effects are it can affect visibility by reacting with other air pollutants to form haze and stain culturally important objects such as the statues and monuments. Second is about nitrogen dioxide. It aggravates respiratory illness, causes haze to form by reacting with other air particles, caused acid rain, pollutes coastal waters. Third is carbon monoxide. High concentration in air reduces oxygen supply to critical organs like the heart and brain. At very high levels, it can cause dizziness, confusion, unconsciousness, and even death. Fourth is PM 2.5 and PM 10. Particulate matters. Pollution can cause irritation of the eyes, nose, and throat, coughing, chest tightness, and shortness of breath, reduced lung function, irregular heartbeat, heart attacks, and premature deaths in people with heart or lung diseases. Choose the correct code. A is 1 only, B is 2 only, C is 3 and 4 only, D is none. Now, question number 4. Consider the following statements about National Population Register. The NPR was first collected in 2000 and then updated in 2015. 2 is according to the citizenship rules framed in 2003, the NPR is the first step towards compilation of the National Register of Indian Citizens or the NRC. Which of the following statements are correct? A is 1 only, B is only 2, C is only 1 and 2, D is neither 1 nor 2. Question number 5. The Citizenship Amendment Act passed by Parliament on December 11, 2019 allows citizenship on basis of religion to six undocumented communities from Pakistan, Afghanistan and Bangladesh who entered India on or before. A is December 31, 2014, B is December 31, 1971, C is December 31, 2004, D is August 15, 1947. Question number 6. Institution of Genomics and Integrative Biology is located at A is Uttar Pradesh, B is Maharashtra, C is Delhi, D is Karnataka. Question number 7. Miyawaki technique and Yadadri method are related to option A is rice cultivation, option B is wax statue making, option C is artificial insemination, option D is growing urban forests. Question number 8. Nagoma Karabakh region is a bone of contention between A is Turkey and Azerbaijan, B is Azerbaijan and Russia, C is Russia and Armenia, D is Armenian and Azerbaijan. Question number 9 is, consider the following statements about Commonwealth Games 2022. It is scheduled to be held in Birmingham, England. Women's cricket will be a part of the Commonwealth Games. It will only be the second time that cricket will feature in the event after a men's competition was part of the games in Kuala Lumpur in 1998. Which of the above statements are correct? A is 1 and 2, B is 2 and 3, C is 1 and 3, D is all are correct. Now, last question is question 10. Consider the following statements about intended nationally determined contribution (NDC) INDC submitted by India to UNFCCC in respect of COP21 at Paris to reduce the emissions intensity of its GDP by 33 to 35% by 2030 from 2005 level, to achieve about 40% cumulative electric power installed capacity from non-fossil fuel based energy resources by 2030 with the help of transfer of technology and low cost international finance, including from Green Climate Fund, to create an additional carbon sink of 2.5 to 3 billion tons of carbon dioxide equivalent, though additional forest and tree cover by 2030. Which of the following statements are correct? A is 1 and 2, B is 2 and 3, C is 1 and 3, D is all are correct. So these are 10 questions based on the Hindu, and answers of these questions will be given in comment section, so you can answer these questions and then match your answers from comment section given below. Thank you.